Installing Superflow with Webflow is pretty easy. All you need to do is select the option, hit next. Install the code snippet yourself, which is super easy, trust me. Then you want to put in your website URL here, then hit next. This is the hard but easy part. You just copy this snippet and then go back to your Webflow portal. You're going to want to go into your site settings. You can probably find it here if you're in this dashboard. Next, you're going to want to go to custom code and slide down where it says footer code. And this is where you're going to paste that code snippet. And that's the hard part. Alright, cool. Save your changes. And then let's make sure we publish this website so it's live. And then we'll be able to see the changes afterwards. After like 10 seconds, we can go back to Superflow and we could test it for ourselves. Hit you publish and hit that test button. Cool. Now you see that little toolbar in the bottom right corner? That means you have Superflow on your website. Now for the main attraction, commenting. Let's click that little bubble icon and start typing. When you're done with your comment, you can set a priority or assign task and then hit that publish button.